Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Al here. So I know how much you guys love the head-to-head videos. So this video was originally just going to be the new Dewalt mid-torque impact wrench. But I figured I'd throw it up against my Ryobi just to see, for fun, to see if this can come close to this. I think this said it's rated at 330 and this is, I think, around 250. Of course, you might say it's not a fair test, but it's just for fun. Because this is brushless and this is brushed. But both have the 6 amp hour battery. I got my big Flexvolt on this one, and this one has the HP battery. So even though it's not a brushless tool, it does gain performance from the HP battery because you can just hear it. Alright, enough talk, let's get right into it. Hit the intro. Alright, so first off, both batteries are always fully charged. I always do that. I always make sure they're fully charged fresh off the charger. 4 bars, or 4 bars, 3 bars. Like I said, this is model DCF894, and this is the Ryobi P260. Turn my heater on. It's a little chilly out here. It's not bad. It's like 35 degrees today. I have my torque wrench here. It goes up. It only goes up to 250 pounds, so that's about as strong as we're going to be able to set the bolts. And I have my hitch ball here, which is a 1 1/8 inch nut, so that's as big as I have at the moment. Like I thought, I didn't think we'd have any trouble until we get up to about the 250 mark. Okay, 100 pounds, Dewalt. Alright, so this has 3 settings. We're going to do it in high. We'll see if we can do it in low first. Wow. Smoked it. I don't know if you can see that. Light. It is in low. Right up to 250. Tightening. Saved. Boom. 150. Ryobi. This doesn't have high-low or anything. This is the older one, so it just has the trigger. Here we go. No problem. So after 150, we're gonna bump it up to 200 just to speed up this video. Okay, 150. Dewalt. Low. Got her bumped up to 200 foot-pounds. You can see that? It's right on the line. It's really hard to see. I'm not cheating, I promise. Hard to tighten when your bench moves a little bit like that. We have it cranked in there, it's just a small piece, you know what I mean? Alright, let's do the Ryobi first. Because I looked it up, and it's pushing exactly, it says it's 200 foot-pounds of torque. Full chooching. There we go. No problem. Nice. Just tearing up this nut pretty good. Just to save time, we'll tighten her up with the gun a little bit, see what she's up to. Come on, you piece of crap. 2 hundo. The Ryobi does it. I know the Dewalt's gonna do it. Still full bars from the Flexvolt battery. In reverse. On low. No problem. Now we're gonna take it up kind of slow just because I want to see what the Ryobi can do. We're gonna bump her up to 210. Just to see what the Ryobi can do. There we go. 10. Go to the Ryobi. Yeah, no problem. Alright, we bumped her up to 230. You see that? It's hard to see, but it's right there. It's really hard to make out. There we go. Oh, knocking everything over. 30. Let's see if the Ryobi can do it. Holy crap. That's amazing. Because this is rated for 2 hundo. I wonder if it has anything to do with the HP battery doing it. That's crazy. Alright, well, let's put it on high and tighten it down with the Dewalt as hard as I can and see if the Ryobi can budge it. I know it's going to be over 250. It's pretty tight. Full bars. Let's see if it's bump her up to 250. All right, I maxed out. I can't go anymore. I'm lifting my table off the ground. I really can't. There we go. 250. They're tightened up all the way with the Ryobi. I mean the Dewalt. See if the Ryobi can break it. Wow. No problem. That's amazing. They must have really underrated this tool. Alright, let's tighten it up with the Ryobi and see if the Dewalt can take it off, eh? As tight as this bolt can get. Right around 260. Yeah. That's crazy. I think these two are actually kind of evenly matched. Alright, well, I got that torque down. It's got to be well over 250. It's popping, so put all my weight on it. I think 275, 300 foot-pounds. Let's see if the Dewalt can take it off. Still got the big battery, full, on high. Let's see what she can do. And budget. Nothing. Let's see if the Ryobi can break it open. Now, if the Ryobi breaks this open where the Dewalt couldn't, I'm gonna laugh my butt off. 6 amp hour, full chooch, full bars. There you go, guys. Neither one of them can budget. It's got to be around 300. It's past 250. Nope. Maybe we try in precision mode. Precision mode. No dice. Alright. Zoomed you out a little bit. Check out my new workbench I made. Made it just out of 2x4s, and then I bought a big long 2x10, so the top is 30 inches by 4 feet long. And then I decided to do the burnt look, just kind of you can hide all the imperfections. But I did sand it down to 240, and I think it turned out pretty good. Got on wheels so I can wheel it and put it away when I'm done. Let's go over the stats of these bad boys real quick. So, the Dewalt, it says 330 foot-pounds of torque. It has 3 modes, high, low, and new precision mode, which screws it down and it prevents overstripping or over-tightening. What else? It's 8.5 inches high without the battery. It's 3.1 inches wide this way here. Let's see how much it weighs. 3.8 pounds. It's right what the website says. So with the big battery, it's 2.4. Right around 6 pounds. Yep, 512. The Ryobi, it says it's only up to 200 foot-pounds of torque. Weighs 3.5 pounds bare tool. It has no modes. It's just one speed, high. You'll pull the trigger. That's all you get. It says 3,000 RPMs, 3,000 impacts per minute. That's all it really says about it. I'm getting 3 pounds 11 ounces. The website says 3 pounds 6 ounces. Whatever. With the big battery, we're looking at 511. So very similar in the weight. This one is smaller. Comes with the belt clip, but I don't think you really be clipping that on your belt since it weighs just about 6 pounds. That kind of put your pants down there. What else? Brushless, 3 modes. Model DCF 894. 3 speed. Oh, it has first gear 0 to 900 RPMs, second gear up to 2,000 RPMs, and then, oh, that's it, 2,000 RPMs is the max. It has 3,100 impacts per minute versus this one has 3,000 impacts per minute. So maybe that's why this one isn't that powerful, because it only has 2,000 RPMs, where this one is 3,000. It's kind of interesting. Also wanted to show the length difference. This one is right at 7 inches from anvil to the back butt cap, where the older one is coming in at 8 1/4. What else? There's one other thing I wanted to go over with the Dewalt. Oh, it's interesting how it has the one speed if you're in forward. Oh, wait. It's all the same RPMs in low, precision, or high. You go front, forward, high, precision, and then low only goes down in tightening, not loosening. So loosening, it's all the same, full chooch. And then forward, it's 0 to 900 tightening. But reverse is 0 to 2,000. So yeah, 330 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, it says. You gotta get that nut busting in there. It's a little innuendo if you guys haven't caught on to that one. A little bit of innuendo. Or also it says it's 3,960 inch-pounds of torque. UL rated. According to California, will give you cancer. What else here? Overall, I give it one consumer thumb up. This around the house if you're just a guy like me who works on your own cars and stuff, this would be more than enough to get any bolt loose, I think, on your vehicle. Unless you're getting into, or excuse me, once you start getting into like tractors and stuff, maybe you have to bump up to the higher torque one. But for simple, you know, lawnmower, truck work, this would be more than sufficient to get it done. As I said before, I've been using this one for the last 4 years, and as you can see, I do abuse it, you know, throw it down, still works. I've dropped it, tossed it, it works great. And this is only rated for 200, but as you saw, it could easily break away 250. Oh, price point. This bare tool without a battery is coming in at $199 at Home Depot or Lowe's. I think they sell it in a kit with the battery, but I'm not sure. I haven't really seen it. I think I'm going to announce the tool that I'm going to give away for the 1,000 subscriber drawing here next week. I have a good idea what it's going to be. I just got to get one other thing for it. I need to get another charger because I only have one charger. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I've been more than happy to go over them. I know this is just kind of a quick little video over the new Dewalt mid-torque impact wrench. Smash that like button, guys. I can't believe all the support you guys have been giving me. I'm up to over 600 subscribers. It's freaking crazy, so thank you. What else here? Lots of good videos on the way, guys. Had to take a little bit of time off here in Minnesota because I was really sick. And it was like 50 below zero, so that kind of... I did come out here once, but it was a little hard to get anything done because it was freaking cold. But I'm on the upswing, feeling better. The temperature's leveled out right around 20-30 degrees. So I'm going to continue doing the videos as much as I can. I have several tools lined up. I hope you like them. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day. See ya!